Alright, so in this video right here, we're going to talk about makeup, but not just any just foundation, concealer, anything. We're going to be talking about the long-lasting makeup setting spray. To set that makeup, to stop that makeup from smearing and sweating and just look like it's drooling. So anyway, I was definitely recommended to someone that was working in the place that I got this from. And the thing that I was going to be doing, it's going to be 3 hours of active working and stuff, so I definitely had to make sure that my makeup was stayed on place. And it's just funny because I would never thought that I would be the person to wear makeup, but now as I'm wearing more makeup more and more, definitely the type of job that I do, it's just been a real blessing. Like, man, like, okay, I know I'm a little off topic, but it's just funny how I thought I would never, but now I am. Never say never. I absolutely love makeup now. But anyway, so I definitely wanted to find something that would set my makeup in place. It's just that it is just weird because I'm only probably about 2 year, maybe 2 year experience, maybe just a year. Yeah, like I'm only a year experienced person dealing with makeup. So I just started wearing makeup this year, actually. I'm talking about the whole, foundation and all that. So this year, this is the year that I really started wearing makeup. And I was just like, okay. I was like, there's gotta be something for me to how can I explain it? Okay. A newbie that's wearing makeup, and my intuition was telling me that what I had, maybe you should get something else to make sure that your makeup was set in place. And it's so funny because it's like, okay, it's not like I have numerous years of makeup, but my intuition was just like, okay, you need to get something else. I don't know if that makeup's going to stay on it. So I was looking, and I was just asking someone, and that person recommended me this. And I did have the other one, the oil one, but then I was like, wait a minute. My skin is oily and it sweats, and I was kind of scared to get the other one because I didn't know if the oil one was going to leave my face even more oilier. So I just did this, and I know how a lot of girls with oily skin definitely loves this product. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and give this a try. So after when I applied my makeup on, I sprayed the all-nighter Urban Decay. I didn't even think I can explain it. Urban Decay all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray. So I definitely sprayed my face with it, and it explains on the back like how you're supposed to spray it. After applying makeup, spray bottle well, hold 8 to 10 inches away, and mist face 2 to 4 times in an X and T formation. So let's say if this is face, I know this is so weird. It's a square, a rectangular box, but okay, so let's say this is your face. So you're supposed to spray the X because that's where you're crossing. It's like the tip of like your side of your edge of your forehead down to the nose, down to like the bottom of the chin, and then you do it again, and then you go over to the cross and you go down to your nose. With my oily parts of my face, it's really around the cheek areas, my chin, my forehead, but it's really around my cheeks and my chin. That's like really, really super duper oily. So me, I really don't do the whole X and the T thing. What I do is I spray my face down. I just everywhere. Like I just soak my face in the spray, and then your face will feel a little wet at first, but then it'll dry, and you can just tell that it sucks like that oil and all that extra moisture just sucks away. Then your makeup just looks flawless, like absolutely looks flawless. And of course, when I sweat, and that's why I apply primer too, which I'm going to be talking about in the next video. Of course I sweat, and when I wipe on my face, I will dab in it rather. Makeup does come up, but not as much. Like my makeup still looks like I still have my makeup done. Like after the 3 hours when I went back to the hotel, and I asked my mom, it was funny. I was like, Mom, does it look like my makeup is gone? And then she was like, no, it look like you just did it. Like I can't tell if any makeup is off or not. So I was like, okay, this spray got it going on. So I love this spray, love it. And they have a trial size, and then they have like the big size. I've got a travel size because I don't apply makeup like every day, but I only wear it when it's like really needed, or you know, when I just like to look nice, as far as like when I'm really going out or whatever. But mostly it's dealing with job work. But I definitely need to start practicing more so I can be more experienced makeup person. So this is, it's oil free, paraben free, and temperature control technology, meaning I was in like a hot environment and my makeup wasn't going anywhere. So, and then these are the ingredients of the spray. Oh, and another thing is my face do not break out with this, so that's amazing. So as you can see right here, it says stop makeup, make meltdown with this groundbreaking tested formula. All-nighter mist on weightless to keep your makeup looking gorgeously. Just apply for up to 16 hours without melting, cracking, fading, or settling into finer lines. The result: smoother looking skin and vibrant makeup that lasts all day for all skin tones. And so yeah, 78% of participants said all-nighter helped their makeup last for 16 hours. Over 80% said their makeup not only looked better, it stayed on better, even in the T-zone without settling into the fine lines. And whether they had combination oily or dry skin, 80% or more said all-nighter was the best product to help their makeup last. And I just love this spray, and this is what it looks like, the bottle. So it says again on what you're supposed to do, so it's so cute. I absolutely love this product. So yeah, definitely, you know, cop it if you can. It's called the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray.